Hi guys, quick tutorial on how I get my 2x2 photos for the notebook I track my collections in. You're going to go to Canva, then create a design, custom size, then you're either going to enter 4x6 or mine is there since I've used it recently. Once you get to this screen, you're going to go over and choose on the left, the elements section, and then you're either going to use a square or that photo that has like a stock photo in it. You're just going to grab the corner, make it a 2x2 or whatever custom size you'd like. If you want to do 2 3x3s, you're then going to right click and duplicate and drag those to however many you would like on your sheet. Obviously with a 3x3, excuse me, you could only fit 2, but since I'm doing 2x2, I can do 6 on a page. And you're just going to keep duplicating them till you get them all aligned. You're then going to go search for whatever collection or photo you would like to drop in there. I put the name of the collection, look for images, and then just look for one of the cover of that collection. You're going to right click on the photo, hit copy. You're going to go back to Canva. You're going to click not outside. You see that doesn't give you the correct menu, but inside, and just hit paste. Since this is the first time I'm using Google Chrome, it's asking me if that's okay. And then you're just going to drag and drop. You could also upload them all, or if you have one that you previously uploaded and it didn't print correctly, you would find it in that uploads. So I'm just going to do 2 here so you get the idea. Copy image, go back to Canva, hit paste, and then drag it where you'd like it. When you're ready to print it out, you just go up on the right hand to share. Then you're going to go to download. I always choose a JPEG and then just hit download. Usually this will, once it's done, pop up for me in preview. I don't know why it did not this time. That was a sketch I've been looking at. So I just went to my Finder, downloads, there it was. I double click, and then you can print out on whatever printer you choose. I use my PictureMate and a 4x6 borderless, and then I just cut them out and paste them into my collections notebook and I printed at 100%, so they come out 2x2. Hope that helps, guys. If you have any other questions, let me know. Thanks so much.